Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Of course, I'm the Cannabis Queen. I just came to check in on my Friday favorites and tell you guys what we should be looking for Monday. So stay tuned and we're going to get started on just a few that you should pay attention to so you can be ready for next week. All right, here we go. Hey guys, we're back for Friday favorites. We're going to cut straight to the chase today. We're not going to do any long intros or anything like that. This is just merely to give you some companies to check out for the weekend so that come Monday, you're ready to get into the market. You have some ideas of where you want to get started. So that's what we're doing today on Friday favorites. I'm going to read my disclaimer first. I have to do that just to make sure that everything is clear and that nobody gets any information confused. So let's do that real quick. All right. Okay, so do your own research and due diligence before investing in any company, okay? The information that I provide is in no way or manner a professional suggestion to purchase shares in any publicly traded company. I am not licensed to provide financial advice, and this should be considered entertainment, okay, guys? The stock profiles are intended to be trading ideas, a starting point for research, okay? And any individual who chooses to invest in any securities should do so with caution. Investing in securities is speculative and carries a high degree of risk. And you may and you could actually lose all of your investment. You have to know that, guys. Alrighty, always research your own investments and consult with a registered investment advisor or a licensed stockbroker before you do any investing. Alright, and never risk more than you can afford to lose. All right, great. We got that disclaimer out the way. I hope you guys understand why I have to do that because, I want to keep it real on here. And then I want you to be sure that you have a clear understanding so you can make wise decisions. Okay, great. All right, so what is our Friday favorites? Let's cut to the chase here. First one that I'm going to give you guys is MJNA, Medical Marijuana Inc. Please look up that company. Okay, like I can't say it enough. I can't preach it enough. I'm just saying 8 states voted just now. We already have all these states that already are doing medical marijuana. These people are walking around with their medical marijuana cards already. So you should be looking at this company, right? Okay, that just makes sense to do. Okay, so Medical Marijuana Inc. Okay, they already have some great news articles out there. They have some great information for you to investigate for yourself. So please check out MJNA if you are interested in, being in the stock market with cannabis. Like, that's where else would you start, right? Exactly. Okay, Novus Acquisition, NDEV. Like her too. Okay, like I can't say that you should or should not go somewhere, but hey, I'm just telling you, knock on that door, and if you like what's behind the door, hey, get in it. All right, so just so you know, that's one on my radar. I can't say yay or nay. I don't want to tell you to do an investment. I can't give you financial advice, but just read about NDEV. I think you might, that company might have some things you're interested in. Okay, and then the next one on my particular study list for the weekend is going to be a company called INQD or something like that. Look that up. I may not have it. All right, hold on. Let me just make sure I give you guys the right ticker symbol. I don't want to give you anything, that's going to be confusing. It's on my radar, but I want it to be on your radar, and it's called Indoor Harvest Corp. Yeah, that's a good one. INQD. So look up that one for the weekend. Just have it on your radar, check it out. See what you think. I'm doing my own due diligence as well. I'm a reader. Everybody knows that about me. So become a reader because you're going to want to make sure that you have all your ducks in a row before you invest. Alrighty. And then my final one for the Friday favorites. I'm going to try to keep it real short and kind of give you 3 or 4 every week so I don't overwhelm you with too much. But every week, from me, from the Cannabis Queen, you are definitely going to get a REIT. Okay, like who would have a portfolio without a REIT in it? I don't know anybody that would. So I'm going to tell you from my perspective that you should always have a REIT in your portfolio. And cannabis REITs, I mean, like, oh my God, why would you not want to have one? Okay, so for this weekend, I want you to research a particular REIT, though. Just do your study on this one, and it's called ACAN, okay? ACAN. look at that one. Tell me what you think. Leave me some comments. Shoot me something that says, you know what you thinking, how I'm feeling. I'll respond back so we can have some dialogue going back and forth, so we can kind of shoot some ideas off of each other and see if this is something that we want to really get invested in. But let me tell you something, guys. I think that if you're going to be involved in cannabis, you got to have a cannabis REIT in your portfolio. So check out ACAN, Americann Incorporated, and the stock symbol is ACAN. Okay, so that is your Friday Fabulous 4, and I want to make sure that you guys have something to look forward to for the weekend, to do a little bit of studying. Put that in some of these search engines, you know, if whatever platform you're using. Look up the news, look up the financials, you know, check out some other things, you know, just bounce it off a couple of different areas before you make a decision about it. And then, of course, consult your financial advisors if you need to do that as well. All right, so Happy New Year. Yes, Happy New Year time. Thank you, Jesus. All right, I want to just say to everybody, thank you for tuning into my channel. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share us, make sure that other people out there know we're out here, and then subscribe. Hey, hit that button down there and subscribe, so that when I shoot out a video that you don't miss things like this, so that you could be ready for Monday mornings. I want to say thank you guys again so much. I'm enjoying this so much, and I hope I'm helping you. God bless you, and Happy New Year. All right, bye-bye.